Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this gorgeous Range Rover Sport Autobiography Dynamic in Loire Blue. This is a 4.4 V8, it's previously had 2 owners. You have 21-inch satin black alloys. This car is next due for a service in May 2022. You have a powered tailgate, which is useful if you've got your hands full. As you can see, your mats are ready to go into the car, but you have plenty of space for items such as golf clubs and pushchairs. An electrically deployable tow bar, which saves time and effort attaching one and is great for towing things like caravans, boats and jet skis. Going round towards the front, you have illuminated Range Rover script tread plates and a gorgeous contrasting leather interior. A sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light, but also really nice to open on a sunny day or just for some fresh air. Cooler compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. Different driving modes depending on the weather or where you're driving. So you have grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts, sand and rock crawl, or you can push it back down for auto. If I put the car into reverse, you'll see you've got a rear view camera, making parking and reversing so much easier. Heated and cooled front seats, which are ideal for winter and summer. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect your phone, along with valet mode, enabling you to lock the screen so a valet can only access your climate control. You can also control your tow bar from inside the car, which saves you even having to get out. And you have ambient lighting with various different colours to choose from, which looks effective in the dark. You can also adjust the brightness or turn it off altogether. Controls on your wheel, so you have cruise control and a speed limiter, along with blind spot monitor, and both of those are really helpful for long journeys or motorway driving. A heated steering wheel, definitely a must in the winter. Memory seats, handy if there's several people driving the vehicle, and a Meridian sound system for better quality sound. This car's done at 66,762 miles, and stepping back outside the car, that was a stunning Range Rover Sport. If you're interested in this vehicle, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.